Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back on a new episode of Techno Content. I'm Shocking Banerjee, and in this video I'm going to tell about 5 awesome space facts. Actually guys, space is really very much huge and it contains a number of mysteries, a number of facts. And here in this video I'm going to tell about 5 facts among them. So guys, now let's get started. So yes, now let's move to our first fact. So guys, do you know that our space is completely silent? Actually guys, what happens, the wavelengths of sound needs a medium to pass through one part to another portion. So guys, what happens in space, there is no medium present. So guys, there no sound wave can travel. So that's why the space is completely silent. So there you will not be able to hear any sound in the natural way. Actually guys, what happens here, I am talking to you and here my sound is recorded in the camera, but guys, in space what happens, sound will not be able to travel from one part to another part through a medium. So that's why space is completely silent. So guys, now let's move to our second fact. So guys, do you know that the mass of our complete solar system is really very much huge? But guys, do you know that among that huge mass, completely 99% mass, approximately 99% mass is taken by the sun. So guys, what happens, the sun's mass is almost 99% of our whole solar system. So it's really very much huge. And guys, this one was our second fact. So yes, now let's move to our third fact. So guys, you may have seen a number of volcanoes on our earth. Actually guys, in those volcanoes, lava emits from several volcanoes. But guys, have you ever heard about a volcano which emits snow? So guys, here in this video I'm going to tell about that volcano, and this type of volcanoes are present in Pluto. So guys, there some volcanoes are present which emits snow. So guys, actually there some materials are emitted from that volcano burst, but guys, what happens, they are emitted in the form of snow. So there the lava looks like snow, and guys, thus the lava gets stored near the volcanoes, and thus the volcano spread over the planet. So yes, this was our third fact, and now let's move to our fourth fact. So yes, now I think that you know that a specific velocity is needed to throw an object from our earth to the space. So yes, that velocity is approximately 11 km per second. But guys, do you know that if an object is trying to come in the atmosphere of our earth from the space, then it will also need a specific velocity. Actually guys, what happens, if the object don't have that specific velocity, it will not be able to get into the atmosphere of our earth, and it will then just keep rotating surrounding our earth. And guys, then what will happen, after some time it will get destroyed. So yes, thus the object will need a velocity, a specific velocity by which it will be able to get into the atmosphere of our earth. So yes, now let's move to our last fact. Actually guys, according to Newton's law of gravitation, do you know that all the objects in our universe keeps attracting each other? Actually guys, here if I talk about myself, here I am recording my video over a camera, and here I am also attracting that object. But what happens, the value of that attraction is really very much low, and that is why it can't be felt. But guys, according to that law, every object in this universe are attracting each other. If you go to space, there you may think that only one planet is attracting you, but no, all the planets are attracting you, all the objects are attracting you, but you are not able to feel that. Actually you are feeling that only the planet on which you are situated, there only that planet is attracting you. Other attractions are made very much negligible for you. But guys, there a few amount of attraction is present, and this was our fifth fact. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please do thumbs up here, like, comment, share, and guys, if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe by tapping here. And guys, if you want to watch this recommended video, watch it from here. If you want to watch this recommended playlist, also visit from here for knowing something more cool facts about a number of subjects. So yes, now thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.